If you're watching this video right now, then I can probably guess that you have a trading strategy, but you are not sure if it's a good strategy or a bad strategy. Well, no one can tell a good or bad strategy. The only thing that can tell is when you backtest that trading strategy, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Forex, Crypto and Forex. On this channel, I mainly talk about crypto and forex trading. So, if you find these two topics interesting, then smash that subscribe button, then like this video and watch to the very end as I share with you exactly what you need to know about backtesting plus a free software you can actually use to start backtesting today. Trust me, this software is 100% free, though they have a premium version. But then, if you don't have money to pay for the premium version, their free version is still okay for you to backtest your strategy repeatedly to know if it's working or not. So with that already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me give you what you need to know about backtesting, why you need to backtest, and exactly how you can backtest for free using a free software I'm going to review to you in this video.
So hello guys, once you come over here right now, so now we need to download the software we're actually going to use to do this testing, because we cannot use TradingView and MetaTrader to test. So there's a different tool that I said I'm going to share with you that you can actually use to test your trading strategy. So to do that, once you come over to your browser, all you simply have to do is search for Forex. Just type exactly what I'm searching, Forex Tester 5. So once you search for it on Google, you are going to find it here. So now let me change the color to a visible color. So this is it here. So once you simply type the Forex Tester 5, simply look for this URL and then click on it to access it. That's how you find this software. So now let me reverse back. So after that, just click on here. Click on the link there to take you to the official website so you download it. Please make sure not to download it from any other place than their official website, to make sure that you are getting the original copy of it so that you don't get to lose any data. Because if you go and get the crack ones, you might have some virus on your system or probably not get the right information. That's why you need to get it from their exact website. So this is how their official web page look, and you can see it clearly here that this is a free website. You can come over to this website, you can decide to trade on the web or simply download the software. So once you come over to the web, you can see this option here that says buy now. Since you are not ready to buy or you don't have money to buy the pro features, then you simply have to stick with the free one. So if you want to get the full access to this particular software, you have to buy it to get the full details. But if you don't have money to buy, the free one is still okay for you to start doing your practices, because I also practice with the free one. So when you want to try with a friend, simply come over to here where it says try for free. Once you come over here, just click on it. Sorry, this is only available for desktop devices, not available for mobile. For mobile, I think you have to use the web demonstration to actually do your testing. And if you're a desktop user, simply click here that says download free desktop application. Now it's going to redirect you. So I'm not going to download it because I've already downloaded it before. So I'm just going to show you how you can install it. So this is necessarily how you can download this software. So assuming that you've already downloaded it, what you have to do is come over to your desktop. And if I come over, you can see this is a software here, Forex Tester 5 setup, you can see. So I'm just going to double click it to install it on my system. So you can see I have to install it now. So once you download it, you simply have to go to the folder you download it to. And you're going to see a setup like this, and then follow the setup wizard to set it up and then start using it. You can see I'm simply going to hit on next, then install. This is how simple it is to actually install this software on your system. So you can see that it's almost done installing. So I'm just going to give it a few more time. You can see it's almost done installing. So once it's finished installing, you see this option. You can tick here so that it will launch at once, or if you don't want that, simply click on finish. So let me just say click on finish. This one, it won't auto launch it. So now you can see the software over here. Once you install it, you can see the software right here. This is it right here. So simply click on it to open it up. So let me just clean that off. So after that, I'm just going to click on it. So now once you launch it, I'm going to show you everything you can do to start trading. You can see Forex Tester 5. So since you don't have money to buy, I will advise you go to their website and get the original copy itself. Don't go and get a crack one because you need their advanced features, because their crack one might not be as accurate as the main app itself. Okay, so you can see it's currently launching up right now. You can see, so once you open it first, this is how it will open all over the place. You can see there are a lot of tabs open down here, so you have to clean them one after the other. So I believe they are not going to give me the beginner's guide because I've already launched it on the same system before. So if you haven't launched it on your computer before, then you are going to see a walkthrough, step-by-step beginner walkthrough on how you can navigate the whole interface and start trading with it. So you can see this is my account history. I've traded before and I've made a profit of 328 USD with a demo account, because they give you a demo account to actually start trading. You can see these are the trade I issued here. So now that you've seen how this system works, now I'm just going to close up some of these tabs since we are not going to use all of them. So I will just close all of. Now the only one we have here is the USD JPY. So for example, you want to trade this particular pair. So now let me restart. Okay. I'm just going to close it up and reopen it again. So now I'm going to show you how you can navigate the interface, how you can find educational material on the interface, also to learn more about how they operate. In this way, you're going to get a wider experience on how you can actually do your own backtesting as a beginner. So this is their main web page like this. So this one advantage of the free version. With the free version, when you close the system, when you want to reopen it and try again, you have to restart it. So if you are doing anything, I will advise you finish with any practice you are doing before you close it. You can see that the moment I close it and reopen it, it's telling me that demo version does not allow to continue project. So I'll have to start a new project again. Simply see how it works. So now on the home page here, you can see this is the start button for you to start playing the charts. You can see this is the restart button for you to restart the charts. You can see once I click it right now, the start to restart from beginning again. And over here, so you actually create new projects. So you can see new project. So once I click it here right now, let me just say video guide. Now I'm just going to hit on next. So from here now you can select your symbols. So now let me look for GBP, JPY. So these are some of the assets I like trading: US30, then USD JPY. So now it shows the information. So here you enter the testing period. So you can see here, this is from first 2018 to the end of 2018, which is April 2018 to the 30th of April 2018. You can see. So you can try to scale up to 2019, 2020. So here I'm just going to leave it as the 2018 and then April 30th. So from April 1st to April 30th. And testing quality, use 1 minute data, use 1 minute and tick data. So you can come back to the advanced settings and then go and learn more about it from their main website. So after that, simply click on next, then checking available history, time zone. So as a free version user, you are going to lack some premium tools. That is the truth I'm going to tell you. But the free one is also okay for you. So you can see that I'm also using the unregistered version. So I'll click on create. Now you can see it's creating a project for me, and then it will add all the assets up for you to start trading. Okay, so now it's launching the pairs that I actually picked. So I'm just going to close all of. Okay, so which one is open here? Let me just switch over to the multi-tab and then just close all. So I'll just close all up. Then I'll click on restart, yes. Then I'll pause the market since I'm not ready to analyze it. So now at this top here is where you set the speed, which is the speed at which you want the bars to move. So I always advise that you put it a bit low. Then once you enter your trade, you can then speed it up to see how fast it actually gets there. And over here is the time frame, which is the time frame you want to use to analyze the market. So I always like going with my 1 hour, 4 hours, and then 15 minutes. Over here is when you enter market order. So here is to enter order. If you want to enter a trade, here is where I actually click to open a trade. You can see, you can set your lot size here, and then GBP, JPY, select your pair. You Come over to your stop loss, your take profit. If you don't understand stop loss and take profit, I'll be linking a video to it down in the description. This is your trailing stop. So if you want to use a trailing stop, which is what I actually having to use both in crypto and forex trading, having to use a trailing stop before, so I don't talk about it. Over here is the pending order. If you want to place a pending order, meaning you spot a particular spot you want to trade, then you place the order. Then when the market price actually gets to that level, the system automatically enters the trade for you. Then you can set it up. So here is the graphics element. This element allows you to analyze the market. You can see we have the Fibonacci, the channels, the reward to risk ratio, which is one of the favorite tools that I like using here, because this reward to risk ratio makes me know how much I'm losing per trade and how much I'm actually going to risk per single trade that I enter. Over here you can see there are a lot of tools here that you can actually use. So all these tools here, you're also going to use them when you start trading in real accounts. So you can use this opportunity to learn more about all these tools down here. Over here is your indicators. You can see these are the indicators that are available for you if you are using the free version, and I believe you still get every single indicator out here. You can see everything is in here for you. So what you simply have to do is play around with these indicators in your tester account, so that when you go to a demo account, you have a wider experience about all these indicators. And then over the years, maybe when you keep learning, you get to understand more on how all of these indicators operate. Even though I know you cannot use all indicators, every single trader they use not more than 2 to 3 indicators in their trades. So over here is for you to zoom the charts, and then on the zoom out and then zoom in. So over here you can see orders. So once you place orders, everything is going to appear here. You can see forex speed up, everything is going to appear here. Change balance. So here you can increase your account balance. You see you can increase it here by yourself, but 10,000 bucks is enough for you to start trading with. So over here you can see your account history. Here is for your account history. You can see immediately I restarted the app, everything I did is gone, because I've restarted the pair, I've created a different project. So every other thing that I've done before will be gone. You can see journals. So here you can take down, like every single trade you are taking, you can take it down here. And over here you can take a look at news. So this news is simply telling you how the particular news affected the market. So once you are trading, you come over down here and look at the news that was available on that particular day. You can see the headline, everything here. So you can search about it and see how that news actually affected the market years back. And in that way, when you see such news coming up in recent time, you'll be able to get a little understanding of what exactly this news did to the market. So this ones will help you make informed decision when you are trading with a real account. Over here is your charts. Here you can set your charts, like the type of chart you want. So I always like going with a bar chart, so I'm just going to leave it like that. You can see your data. This is a data center. You can come over here and update anything, but as a free version, you are limited to everything you can do. Strategy. So assuming you have a strategy you want to test, sure, you can come over here, add your strategy, come over to the strategy optimizer, and then optimize the particular strategy you want to use. This if you have a strategy already. Here's the quick test, easy forex builder, Windows, so every other thing here. So here's the other important thing I need to show you about this too. This is it here, called the educational platform. So here is the intro. This intro will show you how this whole interface works. So you can come over here and navigate through and learn more about how this whole interface actually operates. Then how to can teach you everything here. And then these courses here are forex trading courses that you can learn as a beginner to get more experience in trading. You can see forex basics. You can come over and get this basic knowledge, and then you come over to intermediate and advanced course. All these courses are free for you to learn here inside this forex tester system. So now, assuming now that you've known everything about this interface and you actually want to trade. So now, for example, the pair here is GBP JPY. I'm just going to click on resume right now, and then I'll put the speed a bit high for this video sake. So you can see once I put the speed very high like this, so now you can use this one to actually mark out your support and resistance depending on the strategy you are trading. Use this one to actually mark out where you want to enter the trade, where you want to get out of the trade, so that when you start going on, you can know exactly what to do. So for example, let me look for a point to actually enter this market here. Okay, so for example, I want to enter this market at this point. I've not done any analysis, I'm just going to enter. So now let me come over to graphics element, reward to risk ratio, reward to risk, buy. Yes, I'm buying with 10% of the account balance. So I'll put my stop loss below here. So depending on the strategy you are using, will depend on when you enter the market, what pushes you to enter the market, and then why you get out of the market. So come over here to market order. I'm just showing you how you can place your order. So here, let me minimize it, so I can see everything clearly. So now you can see this tool is telling me that if I should enter the trade at this point, if I lost, I will lose 1,100, and if I make profit, I will make profit of 1,128, which is not really up to my normal risk to reward ratio of 2. So here it's telling me that it will move 323 points, and over here will move 365 points. So this one will help you understand the forex market more. So for example, you want to place this trade right now. Since I've used the reward to risk calculator, it's telling me that my take profit is around 149.859, and then my stop loss is around 149.171. So here's my stop loss. And over here you click buy. So here it's telling that you want to buy the market. After that, I'm just going to click on buy. Now once I click on buy, what I'll do is I'll simply fast forward the play. You can see it got me out of the market immediately before it picked upward. So this is one thing you need to know when you are testing. So assuming you were doing this with a demo account, now it will take you hours upon hours for you to actually see this move happen here. But with a forex tester, now it did it within few seconds. That's when you got this result. So you can simply go on the official website and then learn more about it. And one thing here is that it shows you, remember when I told you that it's important to take notes when you are trading. With the forex tester app, you don't have to waste your time jotting down every single thing you do, as they are registered here. You can see statistics, trades, total trades 1, profit trades 0, loss trade 1. So in this way you get to know, okay, with your strategy you're able to lose this number of trade, or with your strategy you're able to win this total number of trade. So this one will tell you everything you need to know about this particular trade, so you know everything you are doing with your forex tester. So hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you find everything you needed when it comes to understanding the forex market and then using forex tester to actually test your strategy. As I said, you can go and learn more about this software from the educational resources that they've made available here. So that already said, have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye.